Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 13 of English grammar. The name of the chapter is articles a, an and the. Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed the use of a and use of an and use of the. Dear students, and I have also completed the exercise first, which is given at the page number 58. Okay students, those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercise second and third, which is given at the page number 59. Dear students, just open your book of English grammar acts, and just see the page number 59, second exercise and third exercise. First of all, we will discuss the exercise number second. Okay, in this exercise we have to insert or omit the articles. Dear students, we have to insert the articles if it is required, and we have to also omit the articles if it is not required. Okay, in the given sentence there are 12 sentences given. You have to use the articles or you have to remove the articles. Okay, it means you have to make a correct sentence. Okay students, so just see the first question of this exercise second, that is exercise second, and we will discuss the question number first. Okay students, just see the question number first. What is, dear students, it is written here, first question is written here. What is written here? What kind of man are you? What, this is your question students, what kind of man are you? Just see, this is your question. This is the sentence that given in your book at the page number 59 and exercise second and question first. This is written, and you have to use the articles, or if there is article already used that is at the wrong place, then you have to also omit that articles. But in this sentence there is no articles used. You have to use the article at suitable place. Okay students, just see what is sentence given. What kind of man are you? Dear students, just see, you have to use the articles. And what would be the articles? The man are you. We are talking about a particular man. Therefore, we will use the article the just before the word man. Okay, what would be the correct sentence? What kind of the man are you? Okay, we are talking about a particular person. Therefore, we will use the article the. Okay, so students, there is enough space given in your book. In your book, there is enough space. In the given space, you have to write the correct sentence. Okay, you have to write the complete sentence. What kind of the man are you? Okay, you will use the article the. Come to the next question. Dear students, I will write the answer only. Okay, I will not write one time question and another time's answer. Okay, so you will write this correct sentence in the given space. Okay, and come to the next question. Question number second. Just see students, what is question number second? Kashmir is. This is your sentence given in your book. Kashmir is Switzerland of India. Switzerland of India. Yes, students, there is a comparison. You can see there is a comparison of Kashmir with the Switzerland. Okay, dear students, when we compare and there is similarity, then we will use the article the. You see, Kashmir is the Switzerland. Okay, students, we will use the article the again here. Just see, Kashmir is, we are talking about a particular state. The quality of that Kashmir is, that is the quality of Switzerland. The same quality is there, therefore it is described this Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. It means there is similarity between Kashmir and Switzerland. Therefore, it is written here, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Okay, we are comparing Kashmir with the Switzerland. Okay, so just see, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. That is the correct sentence. You will use the article the in the given sentence. Come to the next question. Question number 3, students. You can see, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, just say, students, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Dear students, that is proof of. There is no need to change anything. Okay, students, so that is correct sentence. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, that is the correct sentence. There is no mistake at all. Okay, the article the is used correct. The a is used correct. There is also a. Okay, both articles are used correctly in this sentence. Okay, so no need to change anything. You will write the same sentence again in the given space. Okay, there is no need to insert, there is no need to omit anything. Okay, that is the correct sentence. A friend in need is a friend in need. Okay, no need to change anything. You will write the same sentence again in front of the given sentence. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, so in this question number 3, you will not change anything. Come to the next question, question number 4. Just see, Kalidas is. Again there is comparison. Kalidas is Shakespeare, very famous writer of English literature. Okay, very famous dramatist, and Kalidas is also a dramatist, Sanskrit dramatist. Shakespeare of India. Just see, students, Kalidas is, again comparing like that, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Again, Kalidas is Shakespeare of India, is the Shakespeare of India. Okay, students, you will use the article the. Just see, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Okay, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Come to the next question. Question number 5. He reads Gita daily. Just say, students, Gita is what? Gita is a holy book. Therefore, we will use here the article the. Okay? He reads the Gita daily. Okay, students, you will insert the article the in the given sentence. Come to the next question. Question number 6. The iron is, just see, students, the iron, we are talking about a particular metal, therefore it is used here the already. The iron is useful metal. Just say, students, this is your sentence. Useful metal. Dear students, you can see here, I have told you already, that is U, that is vowel letter of English, but the pronunciation, but the sound is here according to Hindi alphabets. So here is what? Consonant, and therefore we will use the article a, not an. Although there is u, that is vowel according to English letters. Okay, but the sound, I have already told you that if we will use the article a before the consonant sound, there is consonant sound, therefore we will use the article a. Okay, so just see, you will insert the article a just before the word useful. Okay students, just write down. The iron is a useful metal. You will insert the article a. Come to the next question. Question number 7. Okay students, just see question number 7. Dear students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have written. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay students, come to the next question. Question number 7. That is given at the same page. No need to turn the page. Just see. Okay students, question number next 7. What is question number 7? It is written here. A practice makes us fit. A practice. Practice makes us fit. Makes us fit. Just that is your sentence. Okay. Just see. A practice makes us fit. Students, it is written here a, that is not appropriate. Okay, you will write the practice. Okay, not only a practice, you will write the practice. Okay, the practice makes us fit. Okay students, just see. You will write the article the at the place of a. Okay, you will use the correct article. The practice makes us fit. Okay, so students, just see. You will write the article the. Okay students, just write down this sentence in the given space. Come to the next question. Question number 7. 8. Just say students, I met the Italian today. I met the Italian today. Just say students. Again here the article is used wrongly. I met the Italian today. Dear students, the Italian is not appropriate. We will say an Italian. Okay, as we live in India, we are known as Indian. Those who live in Italy, they are known as Italian. So here Italy, the sound is E. Therefore, we will use the article an. Okay, what would be the correct sentence now? You can write. I will not write here. I will tell you only what you have to remove and what you have to write. Okay, just see. I met an Italian today. Okay, students. What will you write? At the place of the, you will write the article an. Okay, I met an Italian today. That is the correct sentence. Okay, students, just write down. I met an Italian today. Okay, you will write this. than that. Okay, I met an Italian today. Come to the next question. Question number 9. We prepare bread from flour. Just say, students, we prepare what? Bread from flour. Flour. Just see, we prepare the bread. Okay, we will use the article the just before the word bread. Okay, we will insert the article the just before the word bread. Okay, just see, we prepare the bread from flour. Okay, therefore, just see, students, we will use the article the just before the word bread. Come to the next question. Question number 10. Just see, what is question number 10? I have the black dog. Just see, I have the black dog. The black dog. Just see, students, there is article the is used. That is not appropriate. Okay, we will write a black. Okay, I have a black dog. Okay, students, the article the is the most appropriate and suitable word to write at the place of the. Okay, so what would be the correct sentence? I have a black dog. Okay, students, you will write this. Come to the next question. Question number 11. Dear students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have completed. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 11. Just see, students, what is question number 11? Just see the question number 11. Mohan drank all milk. Mohan drank all milk. This is your sentence. Okay, Mohan drank all the milk. Dear students, we will use the article the just before the word milk. Okay, sentence is given, Mohan drank all milk, but we will use the article the just before the word milk. Okay, just see, Mohan drank all the milk. Okay, that is material, substance. Therefore, we will use the article the. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 12. What is question number 12? Ganga falls into Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. This is your sentence, students. Just see. You have to insert the article. What would be the article? The. Dear students, just see. With the holy rivers, I have told you that with the famous river, with the river just before the river, we will use the article the. So what would be the sentence? The Ganga falls in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, the Bay of Bengal. We will use the article the. Okay, with the ocean, with the rivers, with the Gulf, I have already told you that. Just before these oceans, river and gulfs, we use the article the just before the name of all these things. Okay, so what would be the correct sentence? The Ganga, the Bay of Bengal. Okay, just see, the Ganga falls in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, students, this is your correct sentence. I hope that you all have understood the use of article. You all have understood the second exercise which is given at the page number 59. Okay, students, if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on our WhatsApp. Come to the next exercise, students. Exercise number 3. Just see exercise number 3. What we have to do in this exercise? Just see. I will tell you 1-2 questions. Here again you have to do exercise second, third. That is not second. That is third exercise. Okay, students. Insert article a, and the. You have to use the article a and the at the appropriate place in the following sentence. Okay, dear students, here you have to only insert the article, not omit. Okay, just see, it is written here, insert article a and the at the appropriate place in the following sentence. Just see, tiger is ferocious animal. Just see, students, again the same type of question it is asked in the exercise number 3rd. Again I am going to tell you. Just see, tiger is ferocious. Ferocious means dangerous. Okay, just see, tiger is ferocious animal. Just see, tiger is a ferocious animal. Okay, students, we will use the article a just before the word ferocious animal. Okay, just see, tiger is a ferocious animal. We will use the article a just before the word ferocious. Okay, tiger is a ferocious animal. Okay, students, so you will write this sentence, okay, in front of the given sentence. If there is enough space to write, you will write in the book only. No need to write in the copy. Okay, because there is enough space. Okay, so you will write this sentence in the given blank. Come to the next question. Just see, question number 2 of exercise number 3rd. Just see, it attack small animals for food. Okay, this is your sentence given. Okay, in the question number 2. It attack small animals for food. It attack the small. Students, we will use the article the. Just see, it attack the small animal for food. Okay, we will use the article the just before the word small animals. Okay, that is plural, therefore we will not use here a. Animal is written plural, therefore we will not use the article a. Okay, just see, it attack the small animal for food. Dear students, the second sentence is also depend on the first sentence. Okay, the tiger is a ferocious animal. It attack the small animals for food. Okay, so in the first sentence you will use the article a, and in the second sentence you will use the article the. Okay, students, so write it and come to the next question. One more question I will deal. Question number 3rd. Just see, what is question number 3rd? Its eyes shines during. Its eyes shines during night. Just see, its eyes shines during the night. Dear students, we will use the article the. Okay, its eyes shines during the night. We will use the article the. Okay, students, these sentences you have to write in the given space. Okay, so just see, what is the first sentence? Tiger is a ferocious animal. It attack. Dear students, there will be s. I have forgotten to write. Okay, it attacks the small animal for food. Its eyes. Oh, its eyes. There will be its. its eyes shines during the night. Okay. So students, you will write these 3 sentences and rest of the sentences are your homework. Okay. To complete the question from 4 to 12. Okay students, you will try. If you find any kind of difficulties, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Okay.